Meet Carol and Bruce. They want to buy their dream home, but searching online for the home of their dreams didn't work. They want to find their way home, a place where they can truly belong, a place to create new memories, a place to be truly happy. So, Carol and Bruce turn to Crystal Green. Carol and Bruce search out someone honest who they can trust. They want someone who can understand their vision of a perfect home, because home is so much more than a structure. It's a place where you can live loose and just be you. Carol and Bruce, they found a perfect place, a home of their dreams. Crystal helps Carol and Bruce to find their way home. And now, it's your turn. It's time to make your way home. Give Crystal a call today at 757-403-4851 to find your dream home, and to know more about the great incentive program she has to offer you. Website www.thecrystaleffect.com. Email thecrystaleffect@gmail.com.